Okay, so today let's study our last conic, hyperbola. So how is a hyperbola? An hyperbola is drawn like this. This is a hyperbola. Equation of a hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. C square is equal to a square plus b square. Eccentric, eccentricity and latest rectum. See, see, learn these two from the book. These are simple formulas. Learn them from the book. Eccentricity and latest rectum. Length of latest rectum. This is the vertex of hyperbola. These two are vertex. This is the focus, and this is the axis. These are the two tangent and hyperbola. Just remember this equation and this equation, and you will be able to solve all the questions. Now this is for the hyperbola with axis on x-axis. What about hyperbola with axis on y? Like this, like this. X square by b square minus y square by a square is equal to 1, and c square is equal to a square plus b square. So this hyperbola has axis on y-axis. So this is all about hyperbola. Now solve the corresponding exercise to this chapter, and this is the last section of this chapter.